Welcome, and following is the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and find the toggle for the hotspot, which for me is right over here, and you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can change things like the password. So you want to just tap on it and, for instance, remove this one. They're completely randomly generated, so probably setting our own will be better off. So once you set it up, it needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and from there you can tap on save. Then we have the AP band. Now I would advise you to try at least the 5 GHz one. It will be faster and more stable, but as you see the message, not every device will support it. So if you set it up and your device that you're trying to connect your hotspot with can't see the Wi-Fi, which would be the name right here, then that means that that device just doesn't support the 5 GHz band. Now, the 5 GHz right here is something completely standalone. It has nothing to do with the 5G connectivity with like devices on mobile network. It is strictly Wi-Fi and it's completely separate. So yeah, you can try it, and if it doesn't work, just simply go back and drop it to 2.4. And once that's set, you can simply leave it, and all you need to do now is tap on the toggle to turn it on. And that is how you enable it. Now once you're done with it, make sure you disable it, otherwise it will consume more battery for no reason. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.